Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel.
Salam everybody, what's up?
So today we are going to make iftar together.
Yes.
A lot of you guys have been asking for more cooking videos. You love us in the kitchen and making food. That's exactly what we'll be doing today. It's actually 7:20 p.m.
Yes.
and we have 40 minutes until we break our fast.
Yeah.
So because we've been out all day running errands, just doing everything that we were supposed to do yesterday. we were too lazy yesterday, so we left it all for today. We literally just got back home and we decided to make something quick and easy. And luckily,
HelloFresh came to the rescue. We just got the, what is it, shipment?
let me get it, yes. HelloFresh package just arrived. Let me just put it right here because it's so heavy. So today's video is going to be in collaboration with HelloFresh.
Yep.
We really love this food subscription service because they make cooking so easy.
Yes.
They cut the time in half and everything is already pre-measured, pre-cut, everything that you need for an easy meal is already done by them.
Alhamdulillah, because it's good for us right now because we only got like 45 minutes left. So
Yes.
this is our iftar, inshallah. So we're going to show you guys which meals we ordered, which one we're going to cook for today, and have a taste test as well.
Okay, I need help.
Yeah, I got you.
I'm so
Let's
hungry.
go. Can we move to the kitchen?
Let's move to the kitchen,
Okay.
guys. As you can see, we're super excited about our HelloFresh package. HelloFresh makes living healthy easier with many low-carb, carb-smart, vegetarian, and pescatarian options every week. Plus, every recipe is packed with fresh produce sourced directly from farmers. And the three meals that we picked for this week were the zucchini pomodoro penne bake, black bean and blue corn crunch burrito, and last but not least, Italian chicken over lemony spaghetti. The main reason why we enjoy HelloFresh so much is because it saves time. It cuts out stressful meal planning and prepping so you can enjoy cooking and get dinner on a table in just about 30 minutes. Or even 20 minutes with their quick and easy options. HelloFresh can help you eat more sustainable. Pre-portioning ingredients means there's less prep for you and less wasted food. You can easily change your delivery days or food preferences and skip a week whenever you need to. Another great thing about HelloFresh is that they're committed to giving back. They donated over 4 million meals to charity in 2020 and is continuing to step up their food donations amid the coronavirus crisis.
So we picked the black bean blue corn crunch burritos.
Yep.
That looks
If
good.
you guys know us, and you know we love anything Mexican related. We love Mexican
Burritos.
food. And every time we pick out our meals from HelloFresh, we make sure that whatever Mexican option they have,
We choose.
we choose. So the cool thing about making this meal is that they have this little cheat sheet which guides you on how to cook the meal.
Yes.
And what to start with first, and it also lets you know the prep time, the cook time, and the overall calories of the meal.
Yes.
So first thing to do is wash and dry all produce.
Cool.
In a small pot, combine rice and water and a pinch of salt. Well, we know how to make we know how to make rice.
Cool.
We get the point.
So how about this? What do I need to do? How about this?
You want to be in charge of making rice, and
I got you.
and then I'll do the pico de gallo. And in doing so, we'll be answering some questions that you guys sent our way on Instagram. Alrighty, so I just came back with my phone, I couldn't find it. So let's start with the questions.
Arab or Latino food? Which one do you prefer
Ooh.
more?
Ooh, that's hard.
That's a hard one.
It really just depends on the mood, I guess. But I would say I crave more Latino food than
Like what?
than Middle Eastern. Like every day I have to have beans and rice. And not every day do I need to have like nohiyya or like
I see
maqluba
what
or
you're saying.
مسخن.
I like Latino food, but the thing is, like, I don't know, man. Like the fool, the falafel, the kushari, the macaroni bil bechamel, man. Like it's just
But
like,
can you
bro.
eat that every day?
Yes, I can
Really?
eat. I can eat food and falafel.
Okay.
I ate food and falafel every day when I lived in Masr, so it's just quicker. It's fresh, you know, from the street, from downstairs.
Yeah.
But man, nah, I gotta go with that.
Okay. I love it too, don't get me wrong.
Dude, I literally just got so hungry. Do you pray 5 times a day?
I do, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
I do. Do you?
Of course, yeah,
Do you
alhamdulillah.
pray 5 times a day?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, Mo, this question is for you. Tips for a happy marriage.
I guess my tips for a happy marriage is find someone that you're compatible with, find someone that's trustworthy, and that you just can see yourself living with for the rest of your life. There's gonna be lots of ups and downs in any relationship, but you have to make sure you pick the right one that you can see yourself having those ups and downs. But I think the biggest foundation is just trust and just genuine love. Like you guys really care for each other. Style. So that's what I would. What would you say?
I would say. I would say my number one tip would be to make sure you both have the same goals in life, or the same. Read my mind. The same
goals, the same ambitions, same views.
Same views in life.
You gotta be on the same page, and you gotta find someone that you
have to have something in common, right?
Exactly. You don't want to marry someone completely opposite of you, but at the same time, you just want to find someone that you can enjoy being around, right? Like, alhamdulillah, with me and Omaya, the biggest reason I think we get along so well is because we were best friends before we got married. Like, we were really good friends.
I would also say having God in your relationship helps big time.
100%.
Like, if you share the same religion, that's amazing. But if you don't, because not all marriages share the same religion, just if you both believe in God, in the higher power, it helps a lot.
Yo, am I done with zesting?
Yeah.
Oh, I am.
Yeah. Mo, this question is for you. Where do you get most of your big man clothes? It's hard out here for us.
Okay, so a few people asked me that before. My big man clothes, it's really a hit or miss. It's hard to just go into the mall and shop, especially if you go to like the H&M's, the Zara's, the Forever 21s, all that stuff. So I go to, I guess, like the bigger department stores. So like Dillard's, even sometimes, honestly, Walmart, Target, they have some big and tall sections, even online. But Dillard's and Macy's, they have like a small little section there for big and tall. And Fashion Nova men.
Yeah.
So Fashion Nova men, I bought a few shirts. The one I'm actually wearing right now is from there. So not one specific store, it's just kind of a bunch of places, and you gotta just pray that you'll find it. Name 2 things you like about Muhammad and 2 things you don't like about Muhammad.
2 things I like about Muhammad. Should I start with the good?
I like my dessert first.
Okay. So I love Muhammad's heart.
Oh, thank you.
And what I mean by that is that he is. You are just an amazing person.
Thank you.
You have like the best intention for everyone.
Thank you. Well, I'm opening this unicorn.
And you're just so kind and so caring and so loving. MashaAllah, MashaAllah, MashaAllah.
Thank you.
Like, Mo does not
But so do you. So are you, though.
No, you're like way better. You're way better. He's a way better person.
MashaAllah.
Something smells burnt.
It's not burnt, it's cooking.
Okay.
Are you just gonna compliment me again?
So I love his heart, and I love how detailed he is. So like he pays attention to everything. He pays attention to what people like, what people dislike. Like for example, with our friends, right? Like he knows what they all like. So like when they come over, he literally has like snacks for each person and remembers what each person likes. And it's crazy because I never pay attention to, well, I do, but not like so detail oriented like you.
So what don't you like about me?
Okay, what I don't like about Muhammad is that he is so repetitive with everything.
That's not nice.
No, he is. He likes reassurance, and he likes.
I just like to talk.
It's very repetitive. You like reassurance.
I do.
All right, guys. So we have our rice, black beans, pico de gallo, sour cream cheese, and tortillas laid out for us.
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Ready? Let's go. I feel like I'm Chipotle right now.
You are Chipotle. I want to see you.
Do you want me to do it? Okay. You could roll it.
Okay, perfect.
What we have on the side then.
Okay, perfect. Yeah. All right, and now we're going to move to the black beans.
How much you want? Like this?
Not too much. Yeah, that's perfect. Awesome.
This one's getting away.
Okay. Yo, that looks so good.
Put some chips afterwards?
Yeah, maybe that should be the last step. I want light sour cream, please.
Like this?
Yeah.
That's good?
Yeah. Ooh. Okay. Cheese?
No, chips and then cheese.
Oh. Chips then cheese, okay.
It's good like this for you?
Yeah.
Cheese, man. More?
Yup. I love cheese. Okay, awesome.
Yeah, that's how you roll it. There you go. You got it, Amaya? One more, and then one more, and then flip it. Good job.
Okay.
That's a good burrito right there.
Haha.
You should work at Chipotle, I didn't know.
Making sure everything is like
That
even
looks
out.
good. That tortilla chips are kind of like looking like steak from here.
Looking like steak.
Yeah. Okay, there you go. Oh my, got it. Look at that roll. Boom. Well, you would try to make yours neater than mine.
No, it's not neater. I
Okay.
made yours neater. Okay, now let's press it.
Okay, let me go put it on.
Okay, so as the tortillas are getting pressed, we're going to answer another question. Is Omaya a lazy cook?
No.
Say
No,
the
no.
truth. Say the truth.
Okay. She has lazy moments, but she's not a lazy cook. She just doesn't love the kitchen. Which is fine.
I'm nothing like my mom or
my mom.
Or your mom. They are so good when it comes to the kitchen. Their food is just amazing, and I really hope that one day I'll get inspired to be like them.
You know who else loves the kitchen? My dad.
Oh,
My
your dad loves the kitchen. Yeah. But he works in the food industry, so
Yeah.
it makes sense for why he likes the kitchen, why he likes to cook. Is Muhammad a jealous husband?
You answer it. Yeah, go ahead.
You want to add some hot sauce?
Yeah.
Okay. No, Muhammad's not a jealous person. Alhamdulillah, he's not.
Here's the thing. I'm not jealous, but I'm protective. If that makes any sense. So like,
But even though you are protective, you never come off as a jealous person.
No, because there's trust there. You get what I'm saying? So like I trust Omaya. I know how she handles herself amongst people. So there's nothing for me to be jealous about. But at the same time, I'm just protective. So like if someone says something rude or out of line, that's like when I step in, I'm like, yo, I don't like that. But it's never from Omaya's standpoint. It's just, there's people out there that just say some stupid stuff sometimes, you know?
Yeah, he's very defensive when it comes to me, for sure.
Check on those.
But he's not jealous. And the reason why I said alhamdulillah is because I feel like jealousy has some sort of correlation with insecurities. And to me, if you show so much jealousy, that means you're insecure in your marriage, in your partner, which is not a good sign, right? Because the main thing in a marriage to make it successful is to have trust. And if you don't have that, then...
Yeah, now if your partner is giving you a reason to be jealous, then that's a whole different story, right?
Okay. That makes that's fair. Yeah.
Like, you know, on both ends, for a female or for male, whatever, the husband or the wife. Perfect.
Bismillah.
No, this is good. Oh yeah. Remember that hot sauce.
So good.
So I don't know if you guys know this about me at all. I eat everything with hot sauce. Like, I just can't eat regular food without having hot sauce or ketchup. And also, everything I like to eat is spicy. So if it's not hot sauce, it's like some sort of spice. Omaya is the complete opposite.
That was a lot. That's like a soup of hot sauce.
No, it's not.
It's so hot. Oh my god,
I'm
it's
not
so
even
amazing.
talking right now.
He's not even talking.
If I don't speak, you know it's something.
I have good news. If you go to HelloFresh.com and use my discount code OMAYA ZEIN 12, you will receive 12 free meals, including free shipping. So I suggest you get on it.
That's a steal.
Because this is the best discount code they have given me by far. All the information you need will be in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. Well guys, tonight's video, having iftar with us, cooking with us. Thank you so much for your love and support. We appreciate you guys so much. We really love seeing your guys' support in our channel and seeing it grow and seeing you commenting. It just means the world to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And like always, we'll see you in our next video.
Salam.